For the fan design, I'm thinking about taking apart this guy, measuring out these fins, scaling them down, and it should work pretty well.
I just finished installing the actual fan model. I basically have this model which I got from James. I used some digital calipers to basically do some basic measurements, and then I made a model. And then I basically just installed it into our fan. It's connected to this gear, which is housed in this little shaft thing right here. And then once this motor is turned on, this gear rotates, and then it makes contact on the bottom. Let me see if I can show you. It makes contact on the bottom with this gear, which is this one. And then as this gear rotates, it's inspired by a planetary gear system. So when this outer gear rotates, these gears will also rotate. So this one rotates, causing this one to rotate, causing this to rotate. Well, all three of these rotate at the same time. And then the fan blades will be attached onto this side. And we haven't designed it yet, but I'm pretty sure Jonathan's doing it. We're basically gonna install fan blades onto the side here, onto this little ring over here. And the way that it's gonna work, we're gonna take a screw, we're gonna insert it into here, and we're probably gonna end up using a washer to prevent it from actually just going through the hole. But we're basically gonna either put a washer or just put the screw through this hole. Hopefully it'll get caught on this little lip at the end here. You can see how it kind of only goes halfway and then the diameter increases. So it's basically just gonna go like this. And then once it's all the way through, it's gonna basically be installed into the back of some fans, into the main shaft holding a bunch of fans. I think we're doing six fans. And that's where we're at right now. And as well, this knob on the side here, it's what is going to allow us to actually rotate the device about this x-axis. And then this knob, I haven't set up the physics, but basically if I make this transparent, you can see over here, these are connected at approximately 45 degrees, not really. Gears still need improvement, to be honest, but I need to fix that too, I think. It's fine. But yeah, as this rotates, due to how these are meshed together, this will rotate. And then this is the same as this bracket, and then this is just connected to everything else. So it's a terrible example, but basically, yeah, this will rotate as a user rotates this knob. And yeah, that's the design.
Here's the current fan design that I came up with. We have 3 concentric blades, all should be the same size. I came up with this really nice color pattern here. We got a red and black color pattern to match the base, but when I put it in the base, it just completely turns all black. So I will fix that later, and we still have to come up with the actual connecting mechanism to fit this into here. But that will come very soon.
About to finish. I've been watching it for 3 hours just for this moment. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Okay, we're here 3 minutes later. We just swapped out some pieces. So this big. Can you shut up for a second? I'm trying to explain it to our one viewer who's our mom. So this big rig, this red one.
You say our mom.
I meant both of our moms, they're both watching. Anyways, so that red piece, we just swapped it out. We also put in this bad boy, and these 2 shells are new, so that's how we fit this in. Everything else is the exact same.
Okay, it should work now. Hopefully. Okay, I'm gonna put this at like
maximum voltage.
No, not again. Okay, 1 volt. We're gonna do 1 volt, 2 amps.
Okay. Yeah, I'll hold this. I think you have to flip it up a little bit.
Why?
We'll just so this front piece is
Oh, okay. Okay, connecting. Positive. Dude, we fucking burned the tent.
What do you mean?
The alligator clip.
Let me zoom in on
Okay.
God damn. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Hit that bad boy. Output.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready. Output's on.
Yeah, I know. Okay, got it. Okay. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Outputting power.
It's not gonna connect.
Wait, it says
It says it's running.
it's running.
Did we fry the motor?
No. I think it needs more power.
No, we just
No way. It should be able to drive this thing. We made it work last time. I need to get in here.
Get in that bad boy. Oh, sparked it.
Yeah, I gotta stop doing that.
It's okay.
Okay.
Oh.
There's too much.
More power.
More? Think it's burning. Think I'm burning the plastic.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm burning the plastic. Hold on.
More.
Fuck it, I'm putting it to 31, bitch. Max power. Okay, if I touch the positive, like, I actually might pop a breaker in there. Actually, no. Bro. There we go. Okay. Full power.
Ah!
Shit.
Okay, we heard sparks. This is the good content back here.
Fuck.
Okay. We need to be called Electro Boom V2. Oh.
I burned this. I burned it.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, it
Greased
cannot
it.
handle 31 volts.
Okay. Some spray. Lubricated it. Okay. Now, I apply. Woo! All right. Let's go. This is awesome. Since we blew up the last motor, it's been about 2 weeks or 3 weeks or something like that. And now we have a final product.
Here's our fan.
Yeah. Put this shit in. See if it actually fits. If it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. It doesn't fucking fit. No way. No shot. This is a bigger hole. God damn it. Okay. Well,
Wait. No, not even close.
can I see? Okay. Yeah. Demonstrate. Look at that. It's blowing wind. Not a lot.